In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve this algebra problem. So this problem is where you're given a rational function. You're asked to either multiply, divide, subtract, add. And in this scenario, it's just multiplying. So the first step in this is that you want to first look at your denominators and see, do we have anything that we can simplify down? It's only in denominators. Actually, you can do it in numerators. It makes the problem a little easier. So we'll do it in both. So in this, we'll look at the denominator first. We've got 3a squared minus 11a minus 4. So now let's write that down here. So this becomes a squared minus 11a minus 12. So the two numbers are, so multiply to 12 and add to negative 11. That would be negative 12 positive 1. So it means we go 3a squared minus 12a plus a minus 4. We break it down, so 3a times a minus 4. Now we do plus 1 times a minus 4. And now we've got 3a plus 1 times a minus 4. So now all we're going to do is write this back up here as 3a plus 1 times a minus 4. Now let's take the numerator. We've got 16a squared minus 25b squared. Now, are we able to simplify this? Well, this can become 4a. Well, actually, let's think about this. So we've got 16a squared minus 25b squared. Those are different variables, right? So we've got 16a squared minus 25b squared. The first thing that you may notice is this entire thing can be put under a square root. So how we break this down is basically like difference of squares. So it's like we've got 16, right? And that's a perfect square. Now what can break down from 16? 4. And what breaks down from 25? 5. And remember, this is minus, so that's important. So now all we have to do is 4a. So now 4a times 4a. We know that's guaranteed because 16a squared. So it's got to be 4a times 4a to make 16a squared. Now we can't do plus 5a in both, because then it would become 40ab. 16a squared plus 40ab minus 25b squared. What we have to do is we have to do plus 5b, but in the other one we're going to do minus 5b. So what this does is, let's simplify this. So 4a times 4a, this becomes 16a squared plus 20ab, and then minus 20ab, and 5b times minus 5b minus 25b squared. And this will cancel out. So 20ab cancel out minus 25b squared. And this is the original one. So this can be broken down into this. So now this will become 4a plus 5 times 4a minus 5b. So I forgot the b. Okay, so now that and the other ones, they can't be simplified, because 3a plus 1 can't be simplified, 4a minus 5b cannot be simplified. Now, let's just multiply these together. So this whole equation will become 4a plus 5b times 4a minus 5b times 3a plus 1. It's all divided by 3a plus 1, a minus 4, and 4a minus 5b. Right? Now, this is our final equation. First thing that we need to do is look for anything that's in the numerator and in the denominator. Because if there's the same numbers in the denominator and same numbers in numerator and denominator, then we can cancel them off. So we've got 4a plus 5b. That's in our numerator. Is that in our denominator? No, it's not. So that would not cancel with anything. Now 4a minus 5b. Is that in our numerator? Yes. Is that in our denominator? Yes, 4a minus 5b. So right here, that'll cancel off. And now we've got 3a plus 1. That's in our numerator. Is there anything in our denominator that's 3a plus 1? Yes. So this will cancel off. So now we'll just take the ones that have not been canceled off, put them equal to 4a plus 5b divided by a minus 4. And this is our final answer and solution to the multiplication. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch our future videos. Thank you.